Okay, good morning students. So today discuss about the topic is electric charges and fields. So the next chapter, electrical fields and charges. So what is the electrical field and what is the charge? Okay, so now here the taken electrical charge. Electrical charge is nothing but is a physical quantity, okay, physical property of a matter. Physical property of a matter and causes to experiences of the force. Causes to experiences of the force is called as a electrical charge. Is called as a electrical charge. They can be classified in the two charges. Okay, positive charge and negative charge. So SI units of the electrical charge is taken 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb. Okay, SI units of the charge is taken coulomb. Okay, so it is a 1 coulomb is equal to 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay, 1 coulomb is equal 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electron. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Okay, so electrical field. What is the electrical field? In the region around the charge. Here the taken is the charge. Okay, the around. Okay, so influence is felt. Okay, so influence is that is around the charge is called as an electric field. Okay, so the Q with the charge. So the influence is extended around the area is called as a field. Okay, so class is the one field. Okay, so college is taken one field. So but taken now in the classroom. So the teacher influence around the classroom. Okay, so that is called as a classroom field. Here electrical field. Electrical field is nothing but now taken the charged particle, so producing the around the area. Okay, influence is called as a electrical field. Electrical field. And what is electrical charge? Electrical charge is nothing but so the property. Okay, or so property of the matter and so the electrical charges are positive and negative and electrical charge is taken 1 coulomb. Okay, is measured in SI units, that is the coulomb. So 1 coulomb is equal 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. So now what is the electrical field? So electrical field is nothing but the region around the influence is called as a electrical field. Okay, so what is the point charge? So the point charge is nothing but okay. So point charge. So point charge is nothing but the distance between the 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is small. Okay, is taken point charge. Okay, point charge. So now discuss the topic is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Okay, in electricity. Coulomb's law in electricity. Coulomb's law in electricity. Coulomb's law in electricity. So Coulomb's law in electricity. So now consider the two charges. Okay, consider the two charges, minus Q charge and plus Q charge. Okay, minus Q charge. Sorry. So consider the two charges is Q1 and Q2 is taken. So the Q1 charge and Q2 charge is taken and is placed in a air or vacuum or in a space. The distance is taken smaller. Okay, so the now consider the two charges. That is called as a Coulomb's law. Okay, Coulomb law. So Coulomb law. So what is the Coulomb law? How to define the Coulomb law? So here the taken the two charges. The two charges is Q1 charge and Q2 charge. These two charges are separated by the small distance. Okay, that is taken R in a air or vacuum in a space. Okay, the force of between them. The force are attractive force or repulsive force. What are being taken? Okay, here that is the force is acting between these two charges or attractive force or repulsive force. Okay, according to Coulomb, these forces are attractive force or repulsive force. Okay, the force is F is directly proportional to the product of these two charges. Okay, product of these two charges. So F is called as the attractive force or repulsive force. E force is directly proportional to the product of the two charges is taken. So now the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, square of the distance between them. A force, the force is acting between them. So the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So these two equations, so this is equation 1 and now equation 2, this equation 2 from above, so F is directly proportional to the Q1 and Q2 by R square. So the F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. So K is called as a proportionality constant. K is called proportionality constant. So K is taken that value 1 by 4 pi epsilon. 1 by 4 pi epsilon. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon is called as a permeability in a free space. Permeability in a free space. Epsilon value that taken that is equal. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon, that is total value is calculated. So 9.9 into so 10 to the power of, okay. So 10 to the power of 9 is taken. Okay. So Newton meter square or Coulomb square. Okay. So now here the taken epsilon value. So epsilon value 8.12 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Substituting in this equation, we get 9 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square and Coulomb square. Okay. So the K value. Okay. So K is called as a proportionality constant. So now once again repeat. So what is the Coulomb's law in electrostatic? So the attractive force or repulsive force between the two charges. And is directly proportional to the product of two charges, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. These from equation 1 and 2, so we can write F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square, and so F is equal proportional to constant can be neglected, and K into Q1 Q2 by R square. K is equal 1 by 4 by epsilon. Epsilon is called as a permeability in a free space. Okay, clear that? And now next one, electric intensity, electrical field intensity. So electric field intensity. Okay, electrical field intensity. So we have taken Q be the charge. Okay, now so Q be that is nothing but E is equal to F by Q naught. E is equal F by Q naught. F be the force. Okay, so that is the electrical field. Expenses of the what is the electrical field intensity? Electrical field intensity in electrical field. Okay, electric intensity in electrical field. A force is expenses. A force is acting on a test charge Q naught is called as a electrical field intensity. E is equal to F by Q naught. So now take a first of all Q be the charge. Okay, Q be the charge. So is the taken point charge. So the electrical field will be exist around it. Now, so the next one is taken. So one point is taken. Okay, electrical field exists. So the consider the charge is Q. Okay, Q be the charge. And so that is total electrical field exists. So in the taken small distance R at a point A or B. Okay, a point A in electrical field. So Q be the point charge. So the electrical field exists around it. In electrical field, a point is taken is small a, taken distance R from charge. Okay, clear that? And so now the test charge is Q naught. Okay, the test charge is Q naught is bringing from outside. Okay, E is placed at a point A. In electrical field of Q. Okay, so first of all, let us consider a charge is Q. Electrical field will be exist around it. Now taken the point A, small distance R from the charge. Okay, now the test charge is Q naught. Placed at a point A. Okay, so the force is according to Coulomb's law, the force F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q naught by r square. Q naught by r square. So, because here taken the test charge is q naught be placed, the force is acting on the test charge or experiences the force. So that according to Coulomb's law, the force between the two charges F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q naught by r square. So according to electrical field intensity, E is equal to F by q naught. So F value substituting, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon q naught by r square by q naught. Okay, so q naught cancel. So remaining equation, electrical field intensity E is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. So this is called as a electrical field intensity due to a point charge. Due to a point charge. What is the electrical field intensity? Electrical field intensity E is equal, the force is experienced on a test charge or a charge is called as the electrical field intensity. Okay, so now to find out the electrical field intensity due to a point charge or single charge. Okay, due to the electrical field intensity. Okay, due to the electrical field intensity. So to find out the single charge. So consider the charge is Q at a point O. Okay, the charge is Q. Electrical field exists around it. Okay, now taken the point A in the electrical field, take a distance smaller from O. Now another charge, another positive charge, another charge is placed at a point A is the test charge. Okay, the test charge Q naught be placed at a point A. So the force experienced between these two charges is Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law, F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q naught by r square. But electrical field intensity at a point E is equal F by q naught. F already we know that, and q naught substitute, and these are to cancel to each other. So we get the final equation E is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. Electrical field intensity due to a point charge. Electrical field intensity due to a point charge. So now take electrical field intensity at near point or long point. Consider anywhere, any point. So the taken there is no displacement, no distance. So electrical field intensity is calculated. So E is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. Okay, got it. So now another topic is electrical dipole. Okay, so what is the dipole? Okay, so what is the dipole? So di is nothing but 2. Okay, dipole. So the dipole consists of the two charges. The dipole is consists of the two charges. One is the plus charge and another is the minus charge. Okay, these two charges are equal in opposite. Okay, these two charges are in magnitude opposite. Okay, opposite and same. So, and these two charges are separated by the smaller distances 2a. Okay, to the center point. Okay, so what is the dipole? The dipole is a system. Okay, the system is a consist of, okay, two charges. These two charges are equal and opposite in a quantity, equal and opposite in a quantity, in a separated by the small distance. So the arrangement of the system, the arrangement is called as a dipole. The arrangement is called as a dipole. So what is the dipole? So the dipole is a consist of the two charges. Okay, two charges. These two charges are separated by the small distance. Okay, these two charges are separated by the small distance. So the arrangement is called as a dipole. Okay. Now, so another pattern is taken, another topic is taken. So the dipole is placed in uniform electrical field. The dipole is placed in the uniform electric field. Okay. So these are uniform electrical field lines. So E is taken along electrical field lines. So the dipole is placed. Okay, the dipole is placed. So minus q charge and or plus q charge and minus q charge and separated by the 2a distance. Okay, separated by the 2a distance, is placed in a uniform electric field. Okay, uniform electric field. So the dipole is consists of the two charges and is placed in a uniform electrical field. So experiences of the torque, to find out the experiences of the torque. Okay, so what is the torque? So the torque is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Okay, what is the torque? Torque is also force. Torque is also force. Okay, clear that? So force, torque force, F torque force is equal to, okay, the F will be the charge, any one force, and perpendicular distance between the two charges, that is the torque. So now to find out the torque or experiences of the torque on the dipole due to the placed in a uniform electrical field. Okay, the dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field, torque is produced. Okay, what is the torque? So the torque is nothing but, okay, force of the charge into perpendicular distance between the two charges. Perpendicular distance between the two charges. Now we consider the dipole. Okay, dipole system. The dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field. Uniform electrical field, making some angle theta with field direction. Making angle theta with field direction. With electric field direction. Okay, so the dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field, making some angle theta. Okay, so now here charge is taken, there is a plus charge and minus charge. So charge is placed in the uniform electrical field, so the force is experienced. Okay, the force F is equal to QE plus QE. Okay, here the charge is experienced, F is equal to minus QE. Okay, F is equal plus QE and F is equal minus QE. These two charges are equal charges and opposite charges. These two charges, these two forces are equal and opposite. So what here taken? So the charge is placed in the uniform electrical field. The force is acting on the charge. So the force F is equal plus QE. We have taken F is equal minus QE. These forces are equal and opposite. Equal and opposite. The torque will be produced. Torque will be produced. So the torque produced, so the dipole is in motion or in a circulated in a uniform electrical field. Circulated in uniform electrical field. What is the torque? So the torque is nothing but any one the force and perpendicular distance. Here we have taken perpendicular distance. Okay, these are perpendicular distance. Okay, so consider the A, B, C triangle. A, B, C triangle. Okay, consider the A, B, C triangle. So sin theta is equal. Sin theta is equal. Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, sorry, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is taken AC. AC by hypotenuse is taken AB. So AC is equal AB sin theta. So AC is equal AB. So AB is already, we know that the distance is taken 2A sin theta. Okay. So the perpendicular distance between these charges is 2A sin theta. 2A sin theta between these two. Okay. Now substitute in the equation. So the torque tau is equal force. The force is taken any one of the force. Okay, or plus QE or minus QE. Okay, so taken plus QE charge. Okay, into perpendicular distance is 2A sin theta. 2A sin theta is substituting. And torque tau is equal. Okay, 2AQ into E sin theta. Okay, 2AQ is nothing but P. P is called as a electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. 2A into Q, distance into charge is called as a moment. So P into E sin theta. Okay, PE sin theta. So that is equal, torque tau is equal. Torque tau is equal PE sin theta. Write in a vector form, torque tau is equal P cross E. Okay, P cross E, write in a vector form. Okay, so now once again repeat. Here taken the dipole. So what is the dipole? The dipole is the consist of the two charges and separated by the two small distance, that is the 2a, and the arrangement is called as the dipole. So the dipole is the place in the uniform electrical field. The dipole is the place in the uniform electrical field. So uniform electrical field is placed, the torque or the force is expressed from the dipole to producing of the torque, to find out the torque. Okay, to expresses of the torque. Okay, so now we have taken the dipole is plus q charge and minus q charge, it's separated by the 2a distance. The charge is placed in the uniform electrical field. The force is acting on the charge. F is equal plus QE. And a similar pattern here also like that. F is equal minus QE. These two forces are equal and opposite, producing of the torque. So the torque now is equal any one of the force into perpendicular distance between the two charges. Perpendicular distance between the two charges. So that is nothing but perpendicular distance is measure is to find out or simplification. So AS is equal to a sin theta. And substituting this equation, QE into 2a sin theta, and torque tau is equal to 2aq into E sin theta. 2aq is nothing but that is the momentum, electric momentum, dipole momentum. So the dipole momentum, this is called as a P is equal to 2aq. P is equal to 2aq. Okay, so the final equation, the torque will be produced, okay, the dipole placed in the uniform electrical field, torque tau is equal Pe sin theta. Pe sin theta. Okay, got it? Okay, so very important topic in IPE. Okay, so very most important 4 marks topic. Okay, got it? So next class, so that is the dipole. Dipole is placed in the uniform axial line. So expresses of the electrical field intensity. So to find out the electrical field intensity on the dipole axis. Okay, so similar next topic is equator line. So the intensity, electrical field intensity, to find out the electrical field intensity on the equator line of the dipole, Okay, so got it? And thank you students today.